Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have seen poem, and already I give the homework to read lesson 3 in your textbook. The topic of the lesson is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. It is a comic story. I hope you all read in your home. Very interesting. Of course, from the picture, you can understand the lesson clearly. So today, we are going to see Gopal and the Hills of Fish. Shall we start? Take page number 36 in your textbook. Let's go. Dear students, take page number 36, Gopal and the Hills of Fish. The Gopal is the main character of the story. The Hills of Fish, of course, it is a central piece of theme. Because it was a season for Hills of Fish, so everyone in the village, even the courtiers, all the householders, or talk about the Hilsa. So what is happening in the story? It very interestingly given. So let's go. The first page. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa. So everyone think about Hilsa fish because it is very tasted. Everyone loved it. The fishermonger sold nothing. So everyone sold only Hilsa fish on that season. Come by the price of Hilsa is down today. So he called for business to other. The Hilsa fish price is very low today. So everyone shocked and surprised. They are the householders, all the householders and the people talk about the low price of Hilsa fish. And the palace also to the courtiers discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I got. It was. So one man went to the courtier and he told about the Hilsa fish to the king. Page number 37. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent. When downcast eyes, the king felt guilt. I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa and no one. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about the hills of East. Not even for the 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then let me see by a huge hills of East and bring it to the palace without anyone asking me a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. So now the king was very much angry about the hills of fish and the people. They are talking about the fish in every place of the palace, in the village, all the places. So he get very bore and anger about the courtiers. Stop it, he said. Stop it. So are you a courtier or a fisherman? So he lost his temper. So the courtier became silent and sad. So now the king realized his mistake. So he thought about. So it could not stop anyone from talking about the hills of fish. So he had a new challenge. The Gopal protest. It means he said, um, no one can talk about the hills of fish, but he want to buy a huge hills of fish to the palace. The king then challenged him to bring a big fish to the palace without anyone asking a word about it. So if he is done that, he will give the prize award to the Gopal. So now the Gopal accepted the challenge. What is happening? We can see next. Page number 38. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. What is that matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly to go out those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a Hilsa fish. This happened to him. He is gone mad. So now in this page, his wife asked to him. A few days later, he was half shaven with a face. So she asked why you are look like. He said he started work accordingly. He became a half shaven and covered himself with the ash. So she asked about that, the reason his peculiar look. He said that he was dressing up to buy a Hilsa face. His wife thought he had gone mad. So because she asked so many questions about why because of his dress is so many rags, so half shaven face and face covered with ash. So finally she thought the man became a mad today. So what has happened? It is a plan of Gopal. We can see later. Page number 39. Can you guess, students, why Gopal looked like? So we can see in this page. Gopal bought the hills of his and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at the man. Is not he comical? He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mistake. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. So now it was the time to Gopal bought the hills of his and started walking towards to the palace. So everyone in the village set about his madness. The child cried that the man was comical. Another called him a madman. The third mistook him for a mystic, but no one talked about the fish. So can you understand the trick of Gopal? Yes. So now everyone of the village, they are talked about the Gopal and his dress, but they are not talk about the hill surface. That's it. Page number 40. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it is one of his crazy jokes. So now the Gopal reached the court. He told the gods that he want to see the king. But they did not allow him to enter. So Gopal began dancing and crying loudly. They reported the matter to the king. Now the king ordered bring him to the court. So the Gopal introduced himself before the king. The king asked him why he has dressed up in the fashion. So what is the surprise we can see now. Page number 41. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in the ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Forgotten something. Strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in hill surface today. From the market to the palace in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about the hill surface. So only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to him. Ha ha, well, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. So now Gopal explained that when he was coming to the palace, not a single man spoke about the hill surface. Everyone got attracted towards his peculiar look. They did not mind about the hill surface. Now the king remembered the challenge he had thrown to the Gopal. So he congratulated the Gopal on his achieving the impossible. So can you understand, student? That's all. So in this end of the story, if the king challenges, he want to buy a huge hill surface, but no one talked about that. So now it was done by Gopal with a clever way. He bought a huge hill surface to the palace, but all the people, they only talk about his look only, his dressing only, but not even talk a single word about the hill surface. That's it. So that is achievement done by the Gopal. So very interesting story. I hope you all understood the story very well. The same thing, if you are feel nothing about it again and again, so again one more changes come to your life, the sad things will be removed. So this may be a moral like story of we learn from Gopal and the hill surface. So thank you, dear students. So just now we have completed the Gopal and the hill surface. It is a comic story. I hope you all understood and enjoy very well. So now I given the notes for this lesson. Now take your English note and start write unit 3 prose Gopal and hill surface. So now I given the 5 questions. Answer the following question. You take your English note and write very neatly in your English note without mistakes. Okay. The first question, why did the king want no more talk about the hill surface? The answer is, The king was very much fed up with the common man talk about the hills office. The second question, what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Answer, the king asked Gopal to buy and bring a huge hilsa to the palace without anyone asking him about it. And third one, what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy a hilsa fish? Answer, Gopal half shaved his face, smeared ash on his body, and put on rags before he went to buy the hilsa fish. Fourth one, how did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? Answer, at first the gatekeeper would not let Gopal in. Gopal began to dance and cry. The king heard the noise and asked the god to bring the noisemaker before him. Fifth one, explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the hills of fish which Gopal had bought. Answer, Gopal's outfit and his peculiar look were such that no one bothered about the hills of fish he had bought. So, I hope you all understood. Clear? So, that's all, my dear students. We can see the supplementary reader in the third unit in the next class. Before that, you take your supplementary reader book and read the third unit. It means third story clearly before we can see. So, in the next class, we can see the supplementary reader. Okay. Thank you. Take care.